I'll be showing you guys how I made 1.3 million naira in 1 month and how I make at least 500,000 naira consistently on a monthly basis. Ensure you stay with me till the end of this video, because at the end of this video there's going to be a giveaway and I'm sure it's not something you want to miss. Now let's dive into the video proper. How I made 1.3 million naira online in 30 days. What I did is I look at myself and try to figure out what do I know how to do best, and that people are looking for ways to learn it. And when I discovered it, I created an online course from it and start selling it online. But there is more to that. You can be sure that it's not everybody that is creating online courses that are really selling it and making decent money from it. There is more to just selling courses online. There are strategies and principles that I follow that give me results. And these are the things I want to expose to you guys so that you can replicate my own results in your own life too. This weekend, I'll be holding a live training where I'll be showing you more details. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. Simply tap on that link to register for the live training. My name is N1.3. On this channel, I create content on how you can make money online, how you can run ads on Facebook and Instagram, basically how you can succeed in business. If that is the kind of knowledge you want, why not subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and let me know in the comment section what topic you want me to create videos on. Now here is the giveaway. Tomorrow I'm going to be crediting few people's account. If you want to be among the beneficiaries, these are the few things you need to do. Ring the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we are going to be picking the beneficiaries tomorrow. And secondly, you need to make comments in the comment section. I am interested. Just comment in the comment section, I am interested, because I am going to be picking randomly from the comment section. And also ensure that you tap on that link and register for the training, because I am going to be announcing the winners in our WhatsApp group. So if you are not there, you may be one of the winners and you will not get the information to claim what belongs to you. Alright, so ensure that you comment, I am interested. Also join our WhatsApp group so that you will be notified. These are the only things you need to do. Don't forget to register for the training. Tomorrow, I will be picking the beneficiaries. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye.